Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw this. Not that you'll ever draw this, but I used a tool that I don't think I've ever used it on rounding. I always round corners on objects, but I've never chamfered corners on a triangle. So I was just playing around. So I took a triangle or polygon and made it three-sided. And I held down the control button. For some strange reason, I want it to look like that. I always turn it that way. Now, if we go to Windows, Dockers, and corners, normally I round stuff off with the fillet or the scallop, but I want to use chamfer, and look what it did. It actually took away the edges, so you have perfect chamfers. And then I thought, wow, what can you do with that? So let's just take a 2-point line and draw it from there to there, draw it from there to there, and draw it from there to there. And then you kind of decide, well, I want the top to be all the way across. So I've virtually deleted that. And then I just decided, well, I want a ribbon that's kind of folded. I don't know if it doesn't even make much sense, but I'm going to go ahead and get the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and fill in these three shapes. Now this one I'm going to leave clear because it doesn't go underneath anything. This one is a single, I'm going to make it look like it's on the outside. So I'm going to take the interactive fill tool and swipe up and then put black in this corner. But that's too much, so I'm going to extend my black up. I just want a little bit. So, but this one, you know what, I might have messed up there. Let me back up here. Yes, I messed up right there. Well, it doesn't really matter. I should have cut this line. I want that to be a solid line and this to be kind of hidden. So back to Smart Fill tool. Fill those in. The top one's going to remain the same. I'm going to use the interactive fill tool and go up to the top. See, I went upwardly because that's the easiest one to change it. Okay, I have that selected. Select that interactive fill tool. Bring in black, but not so much. I missed it. I must actually try to do white. And then bring your slide bar. You don't want, well, you can make the call on how much darkness you want. Now, and the one reason I decided to make the video, this one's actually going to have two. So that's pretty easy. Just take the interactive fill tool and just, once again, click on it. Click on the one you want to do. And then we're going to add black to both ends. Don't worry about it right now. We're going to stretch that out. We're going to bring in the light blue or turquoise and see it's going to have, so it's going to be blue in between and give us a little bit of darkness to make it look like it's been folded. And then it really kind of stands out. Well, let's try making the line a little thicker. And so that works, or just select it all and right click no outline. And then bring the black box over. So it's about almost exactly like I made the first one. So I hope you understand that this one is like going, if this was a folded piece of paper, the darkness is going underneath that part. We're going to give it a little bit more darkness. And then the top goes all the way across, and then this is folded under. Anyway, try out the chamfer. I've never used it before because I never thought about doing a triangle. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.